I don't know if y'all are like me, but I'm tired of buying those expensive print cartridges for the, you buy the cheap printer, and then that's where they get you on those expensive cartridges. So I got the solution for you, the Epson EcoTank printer. Comes with refillable ink. I mean, the refillable amount of ink is like 10 times larger than the size of the cartridge itself. So, plus all the print pages you get on it. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to refill your ink. Very simple. All you do is unscrew the cap, lift the lid for the little EcoTank, press it down, let it fill up. It's as simple as filling your gas tank.